For our first serving, seared scampi on forbidden rice with vegetables. One of Yoram's favorites. The scampi is lightly seasoned, seared on a plancha, and then placed on a bed of diamond-shaped beans. Forbidden rice, a hazelnut foam, topped off with an amazing sauce and a pistachio parmesan tuile, creating a truly unique taste experience.
You know what's the story about the forbidden rice?
Tell me.
They used to serve it only to the Chinese emperor in the Forbidden City, which is grow up like this, black, and you will see 40 minutes.
You're gonna do that first?
Yeah, we use the hazelnuts.
Alright, so in go the hazelnuts. So we're gonna add the cream.
1 liter cream.
And we're gonna let that turn for about a minute, yeah?
Yeah, until it will be smooth,
Very smooth paste. Because obviously the hazelnuts have a large amount of fat,
exactly.
and cream has a lot of fat, so if we blend it up too much, it's gonna separate.
Exactly.
Great. So there we go. I'll switch that on.
Exactly.
There we go. Well, that looks pretty good.
But we need to make it smoother, so we pass it through a tammy.
So I'm going to strain this through the tammy.
I, in the meanwhile, will start to blanch
The green beans.
Yeah, on the boiling water with a little bit salt
With a little bit of salt. Great. So you have your beans blanching there nicely.
You're making here the hardest work in the kitchen.
I know. I'm sweating here. It's hot.
Yes, and I will start to peel up the scampi, which imported from Denmark.
From Denmark.
It's a premium shellfish.
That sort of great sweet flavor.
Exactly.
So how does that look?
Actually, you're very professional.
Yeah, I've done it quite a few times before.
Yeah, because I don't.
Oh, yeah.
Perfect.
Thank you.
Perfect.
Thank you, chef.
You fill it up.
So then we're going to put it in the siphon.
Exactly.
The green beans, you've blanched them nicely.
Yes, more than al dente. It's taking about 5 minutes.
A little bit between, yeah. So the rice has to cook for about 40 minutes, yeah.
Look and smell. It's like actually a red wine. See?
That's right.
You smelling it?
Yeah.
This is the great part of this rice. It have a lot of flavor, yeah. And very colorful. I will strange the green bean, and if you can cut it for diamond shape.
So I'll do those. Put the green beans on a cloth just to get rid of the excess water.
Exactly.
Yoram, once they're cut in diamonds, what are we going to do with them? Just saute them a little bit?
Yeah, saute them a little bit in olive oil.
How's this size, the beans? Is that good or?
It's perfect. So actually I put here some vegetable stock, some salt.
Salt.
Pinch of white pepper.
White pepper.
And I warm it.
And how are you going to finish that off?
Just like a risotto with a little bit butter and some parmesan. You take the scampi and sear it on the plancha.
Right. So
little bit olive oil, salt and pepper.
Great. On the plancha?
You can put it on the plancha.
For about a minute.
For
on
1
both
minute,
sides.
yeah, both
Great.
sides.
I love that noise.
Yeah, it's a nice
sizzling. So we're going to leave that to cook for about a minute on both sides. We're going to get a nice little crust.
Meanwhile, I'll put some butter, some parmesan.
Some parmesan with...
Yeah, parmigiano reggiano.
Great.
And I'm finishing the sauce.
That is delicious, no?
That's what I like to do.
And you're going to saute those green beans.
Saute a little bit of green beans.
A little bit of salt and pepper as well.
We have enough pepper.
You got enough pepper? Okay.
We need to just warm it to get the flavor of the olive oil.
Beautiful.
And the scampi are done.
We're good. The scampi is done. I'm going to take these off. Look at these delicious scampi. We'll bring it all over here.
The assembling is very simple. Few diamonds.
Few diamonds. Green diamonds. We should say green emeralds, no?
Yeah, green emeralds.
Right. The forbidden rice, finished off with the butter and the parmesan.
Spuma of the...
The espuma. The foam.
The
hazelnut foam.
Good, the hazelnut foam.
That looks good.
And we pick.
Look at that beautiful golden brown color.
And I forgot the stage. Forgot the sauce.
The sauce.
Okay, meanwhile, I have red wine reduction sauce.
Okay. Is there anything else in that, or is it just red wine? Or?
Just reduction of lobster stock plus red wine stock, about the same amount. Warm them a little while. Some people used to ask me if there is a chocolate inside,
Yeah, because of the color, yeah?
which obviously I don't put,
That looks delicious.
just a little bit.
Great.
And we finish with a pistachio parmesan twist.
Pistachio too, well, what a great dish.